Hey there VCE HHD students, my name's Andy, I'm a VCE Health and Human Development teacher. In this short video we're going to look at answering the 2018 VCE HHD exam, question number 13. Before we dive into question number 13, just a reminder at the Health Resources Hub YouTube channel, a new video like this one's coming out each day between now and the HHD exam at the end of this year. So please subscribe and tell your HHD friends to do so too to get access to all of those videos. I'm running the ACE HHD exam preparation sessions for ACE at the end of the year, and you can book a spot to those now at book.acevce.com. You'll see our social media links there if you'd like to follow us to get alerts to the new videos coming out each day, and our email if you've got any questions or any suggestions for videos you'd like me to work on. So question 13 was the last question in the 2018 HHD exam, and you can see it was a short question worth 2 marks. And so it mentioned there that peace is a WHO prerequisite for health, and the question then asks you to explain how peace can lead to improved health outcomes. So it does look simple, but even under 50% of the state was able to achieve full marks for this question. And so a couple of things to note there is they were focusing on peace. So in your answer, you need to make sure that you didn't focus on conflict, you were focusing on the peaceful nature of an environment, and they're asking you to link it to improved health outcomes. So I'd make sure you've got a note, okay, in your study notes that mentions when a question asks about health outcomes, you can either link to the dimensions of health and well-being or to health status indicators. So as I mentioned, okay, under 50% of the state was able to achieve full marks on this question. And so it mentions there that there are many possible ways you could have answered this question. They've given you a few examples. So you can see each of them is focusing on peace. So not having, okay, conflict in your area, okay, and not having that threat of war or violence and what that might mean. And so the first one there is talking about how there's less chance of being injured and suffering premature death. So that promotes physical health and well-being. The second one is talking about there's a greater opportunity for food security. Okay, so it means that farmers are more likely to farm their lands, which allows crops to be grown and clean water to be available, which might reduce communicable diseases. That promotes physical health and well-being. And the third one's talking about infrastructure like healthcare facilities are more likely to be available because they're not being damaged, obviously, during peaceful times. And that means people are more likely to be able to seek diagnosis and treatment if they become ill, okay, which can promote physical health and well-being. So you can see all of those, okay, sort of linking to physical health and well-being, but you could have also linked to health status indicators like life expectancy, mortality, morbidity, but obviously focusing in on, okay, how peace can promote those. Okay, hopefully you found that video useful. As I mentioned, the Health Resource Hub YouTube channel is there, ACE HHD exam revision sessions, our social media links, and our email. Thanks so much.